Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing here today? This love Tinder's for the Gaming Dynasty channel and welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! So today I'm going over another Humble bundle that just came out. This one is Big Data and loT by River Publishers. It is of course a book bundle. So expand your knowledge on huge tech ideas. Want to get a better handle on some of today's biggest, most complex technology concepts? These ebook resources from River Publishers can help you stay on the cutting edge. Learn how to manage and understand big data and delve into the intricate factors and connections that make up Internet of Things, or loT. Plus, your purchase helps support Freedom of the Press Foundation. That's right, if you are unfamiliar, each Humble bundle you purchase, you can help support a charity, which is always awesome. Now, these are all going to be in PDF files, which is great because that means you can actually use them anywhere you like. Plus on most devices too. So that's always cool. All right, so Humble has a valuation of this bundle at $270, excuse me. And I actually came up with a different amount than that. But I do have the breakdown for you as far as how much each book normally is and how much each tier is actually worth. Here you can read a little bit more about the charity. But here is one of my favorite places because you can adjust your donation. Now, here I have this to remind me. To get the lava there, I used my affiliate link down below. I am a Humble Bundle partner, so if you click on that, I do make a little bit of money. That does help support the channel, but of course you don't ever have to. You can always go straight to humblebundle.com to purchase any of your bundles that you would like. All right, next you can do extra to charity, which will give you that standard amount. But here's my favorite because you can do custom amount. And you can really do it any way you want. There is no right or wrong way. So, if you wanted to make it where everybody gets more of an equal, you could do that. If you wanted to give more to the charity, you can do that. The nice thing is you can do it any way you like. All right, so let's get started and see what is in this bundle today. First of all, we have 3 tiers today. The first tier is $1. You'll get a total of 3 books with this one. The first book is Enabling Technologies for the Internet of Things, Wireless Circuits, Systems, and Networks. Now, I'm going to show you this next part only for the first one, but you can do this on each and every book. So you can click on each one and you can actually get a PDF preview of what the book is going to be like. A lot of times this will come in handy because you can see the style that they write it in and see if it's something that's going to be compatible to what you're going to enjoy. But you can also click here on the publishers and go straight to their site. Now you will notice all these are in pounds. So I did have to do the to US dollar conversion for that. But if you want to see the pound rates, each of these links have that, plus more about the books. Now, I have that all broken down for you, so that way you don't have to look at it unless you just want to get more information, of course. All right, so first of all, we have Enabling Technologies for the Internet of Things, Wireless Circuits, Systems, and Networks. This one is normally $96.21. It discusses new trends in Internet of Things technologies, considering technological and training aspects, and special focus on electronic and electromagnetic circuits and systems. Next up, we have the Internet of Things Security, Fundamentals, Techniques, and Applications. This one is normally $96.21. And the topics include machine-to-machine communications, loT architecture, identity of things, blockchain, parametric crypto system, and software and cloud components. Last book in this tier is Internet of Things in Automotive Industries and Road Safety. This book is also normally $96.21. The topics include role of IoT in automotive industries, Arduino and its interfaces with I/O devices, Launchpad and its interfaces with I/O devices, Node MCU and its interfacing with I/O devices, and serial communications with Arduino and Node MCU. So that is it for this tier, these 3 books, and it actually is a value of $288.63, which is pretty awesome because if you just want this tier, you're just going to pay $1. Next, we have our second tier today, which is $10, and you get a total of 11 items, but that does include the 3 previous ones. Okay, so first we have Next Generation Internet of Things. This one is normally $105.30. This book provides an overview of the next generation Internet of Things, ranging from research, innovation, developmental priorities, to enabling technologies in a global context. It is intended as a standalone in a series covering the activities of the Internet of Things European Research Cluster, or IREC, including research, technological innovation, validation, and deployment. Next up, we have Secure and Smart Internet of Things. This is normally $96.21. Topics include Internet of Things, Industrial Internet of Things, Fog Computing, Artificial Intelligence, Blockchain Technology, Network Security, Zero Trust Model, Data Analytics, Digital Transformation, DDoS, Smart Devices, and Cybersecurity. Next, we have the Getting Started for Internet of Things with Launchpad and ESP8266. This one is normally $101.55. This book provides a platform to get started with the TI Launchpad and loT models for Internet of Things applications. The book provides the basic knowledge of TI Launchpad and ESP8266 based custom modules and their interfacing, along with the programming. Next, we have the Digital Shop Floor, Industrial Automation in the Industry 4.0 Era. This book is normally $101.55. Despite early implications and proof of concepts, CPPPS LLOT deployments are still in their infancy, and for a number of reasons, including manufacturers' poor awareness about digital manufacturing solutions and their business value potential, as well as the lack of relevant internal CPPS LLOT knowledge. The high costs that are associated with the deployment, maintenance, and operation of CPPS systems in the manufacturing shop floors, which are particularly challenging in the case of SME or small-medium enterprise manufacturers that lack the equity capital needed to invest in the Industry 4.0. Also, the time needed to implement CPPS LLOT and the lack of a smooth and proven migration system from existing OT solutions. The uncertainty over the business benefits and the impacts of LLOT and CPPS technologies, including the lack of proven methods for the techno-economic evaluation of Industry 4.0 systems. Manufacturers' increased reliance on external integrators, consultants, and vendors, and the absence of well-developed value chain needed to sustain the acceptance of these new technologies for digital automation. Next, we have the Internet of Things, The Call of the Edge. This is normally $101.55. This book provides an overview of the Internet of Things, or LOT, covering new ideas, concepts, research, and innovation to enable the development of LOT technologies in a global context. The work is intended as a standalone book in a series covering the activities of the Internet of Things European Research Cluster, IREC, including research, technological innovation, validation, and deployment. Next up, we have the Artificial Intelligence for Digitizing Industry. This one is normally $117.55. This book provides in-depth insights into cases implementing artificial intelligence, AI, applications at the edge. It covers new ideas, concepts, research, and innovation to enable the development and deployment of AI, the industrial Internet of Things, edge computing, and digital twin technologies in industrial environments. This work is based on the research results and activities of A14DI, or ECSELJU project, including an overview of an industrial use case, research, technological innovation, validation, and deployment. Next, we have microcontroller and smart home networks. This is normally $101.55. This book covers in detail the following protocols: I2C, I3C, CAN, Zigbee, Zigbee Pro, Z-Wave, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, and Estelon are part of a companion book, Serial Communication Protocols and Standards. Next, we have Understanding Nano Electromechanical Quantum Circuits and Systems, or NEMX, for the Internet of Things era. This book is normally $101.55. The book provides an understanding of nano-electromechanical quantum circuits and systems, NEMX, as exemplified by firstly, the uncovering of their origins, impetus, and motivation, and secondly, by developing an understanding of their device physics, including the topics of actuation, mechanical vibration, and sensing. Next, the fundamentals of key devices, namely NEMS and MEMS/NEMS switches, varactors, and resonators are covered, including a wide range of implementations. This book then looks at their energy supply via energy harvesting as derived from wireless energy and mechanical vibrations. Finally, after an introduction to the fundamentals of loT networks and nodes, the book concludes with an exploration of how NEMX components are encroaching in a variety of emerging loT applications. All right, that is it for the new ones for this tier. So that brings our total so far to $1,115.44. And of course, if you choose this middle tier, you will only pay the $10, which is an awesome value. Okay, so our last tier today is $18 for a total of 20 items. First of all, we have big data management and sensing applications in AI and loT. This book is normally $105.31. The book is essentially focused on human-computer interactions and how sensors within small and wide groups of nano robots employ deep learning for applications in industry. It covers a wide array of topics that are useful for researchers and students to gain knowledge about AI and sensors and nanobots. Furthermore, the book explores deep learning approaches to enhance the accuracy of AI systems applied in medical robots for surgical techniques. Secondly, we plan to explore bio-nanorobotics, which is a field in nanorobotics that deals with automatic intelligent handling, self-assembly and replication, information processing, and programmability. Next, we have Electronic Skin Sensors and Systems. This book is normally $101.54. Technical topics discussed in this book include tactile sensing material, electronic skin systems, embedding computing and tactile data decoding, communication systems for tactile data transmission, and relevant applications of e-skin systems. Next, we have the Human Factors and Intelligent Vehicles. This book is normally $101.54. This book addresses issues related to the analysis of human factors and the design and evaluation of intelligent vehicles for a wide spectrum of applications and over different dimensions. To commemorate the 8th anniversary of the IEEE, its workshop, or Human Factor, some recent works of authors active in the automotive human factors community have been collected in this book. Enclosed here are the extended versions of papers and tutorials that were presented at the IEEE ITSS workshops on human factors and intelligent vehicles, and also included is additional deeper analysis along with detailed experimentation and simulation results. The contributors cover autonomous vehicles as well as the frameworks for analyzing automation, modeling, and methods for road users' interactions, such as intelligent user interfaces, including brain-computer interfaces and simulation and analysis tools relating to human factors. Next up, we have eye tracking and visual analysis. This book is normally $105.31. Visualization and visual analytics are powerful concepts for exploring data from various application domains. the endless number of possible parameters, and the many ways of combining visual variables as well as algorithms and interaction techniques create lots of possibilities for building such techniques and tools. Topics include visualization, visual analytics, user evaluation, eye tracking, and eye tracking data analytics. Then we have the virtual reality, recent advancements, applications, and challenges. This book is normally $101.54. This book aims to provide a comprehensive update of the latest scientific research, mainly in VR and partially in AR, from the last 5 years. The content is themed around the application areas of training, education, robotics, health and well-being, and user experience. Next, we have Big Data Concepts, Warehouse, and Analytics. This book is normally $101.54. Big data is a concept of major relevance in today's world, sometimes highlighted as a key asset for productivity growth, innovation, and customer relationship, whose popularity has increased considerably during the last years. Areas like smart cities, manufacturing, retail, finance, software development, environment, digital media, among others, can benefit from the collection, storage, processing, and analysis of big data, leveraging unprecedented data-driven workflows and considerably improving decision-making processes. Next, we have Engineering Agile Big Data Systems. This book is normally $101.54. Engineering Agile Big Data Systems outlines an approach to dealing with problems in software and data engineering, describing a methodology for aligning these processes through product life cycles. Its discussion discusses tools which can be used to achieve these goals, and in a number of case studies shows how the tools and methodology can be used to improve a variety of academic and business systems. Next, we have the application of machine learning in big data and cloud computing. This is normally $101.54. This book will describe the concepts necessary to understand current machine learning issues, challenges, and possible solutions, as well as upcoming trends and big data analytics. Last one we have in this bundle is Use of AI, Robotics, and Modern Tools to Fight COVID-19. This book is normally $101.54. AI technology is useful for fast drug development and treatment. And in the starting phase of COVID-19 pandemic, the medical fraternity in China diagnosed the virus using computed tomography, or CT, and X-ray images due to the limitation of testing kits. Deep learning neural network model have also been used for COVID-19 diagnosis. AI-assisted intelligent humanoid robots can be used to reduce the human contact and spread of COVID-19. In Italy, robots have been used for measuring blood pressure, oxygen saturation, and temperature of patients. Robots have also found applications in disinfecting and sterilizing of public places, COVID-19 testing, food and medicine delivery, as well as entertaining patients in hospitals and quarantine centers, thereby reducing the workload of doctors and nurses. All right, so that is it for this huge bundle. Now, my total I got, like I said before, Humble says it's $2,270. However, my total is actually $2,036.84. So that makes it a difference of $233.16. Now, I don't know why Humble is off, but one of the possibilities could be because I did convert it to US dollars. It could be a little bit off. You know, probably $10, maybe $20 off. I don't see how it would be $200 off. But, you know, it could possibly be that much off because when you do any of the conversions from the pounds to the US dollar, it depends on when you do it. Like, for instance, if I go back here, okay, this one's $98.50, right? So if I go, hold on, I copied that to US dollars. All right, so right now it says it's 105.36. Versus when I did the calculation, it was $105.31. I know it's only 5 cents off, but I wanted you to know that could be a little bit of it, but definitely not as much as, definitely not $233 worth. So I don't know where that came in, but I did all my calculations based off what their site says. So I don't know. I obviously still think it's a great deal because you're paying less than 20 bucks for over $2,000 worth of stuff. Even if you use my calculations, it's still $2,000 worth of books that you would normally have to pay for $18, which is awesome. Now, am I going to pick this one up? No. But this isn't a field that, you know, I'm really interested in. So this isn't something that would be for me, but this definitely would be something for people that are looking into this kind of stuff because, as you can tell, these are expensive. And anytime they're expensive and you can get them for this cheap, you definitely want to pick them up. So if it's something that you're learning or you're working towards, something in school and you want to pick up some extra books or whatever, this might be something that you want to pick up. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you've made it this far and you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the new videos come out. I appreciate you all. Thank you so very much. Of course, if you did like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. That way, you know, YouTube and we know that you guys really like the video. So thank you. All right, that's all I have for you today. Until next time, this lava temptress. Don't get burned. Bye.